In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal payments in Hostinger. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal as a payment method for checkout on your Hostinger website. So I'm going to be teaching you how to allow customers to use PayPal when they reach checkout. If you want to use PayPal as a payment method to manage your Hostinger subscription, then you will have to look for a different option altogether. So if you want to add PayPal to the website builder, go to the website builder, click on the option at the top, and then you will find Store Manager. So when you go to the Store Manager, choose Store Settings at the left side of the screen, and you will find Payments. This is where you will be able to manage all of the payment methods available during checkout. So when you choose this option, one of the payment methods is going to be PayPal. All that you have to do now is choose the option to connect a PayPal account. This will redirect you to the PayPal website, including your email address and your country or region, assuming that you are already signed in. If this information doesn't automatically appear, then fill it out accordingly. Once you have the email and the country or region properly set up, choose Next and proceed. Eventually, you will be redirected back into the Store Manager. As long as all the information that you input was valid and legitimate, you will sign into your PayPal account and approve the connection. Now, you will see that PayPal will be enabled at checkout. However, you still need to connect an account. So it is going to say this: finish setup to start accepting online payments with PayPal. So choose the option to finish setup, and usually this will redirect you to the home screen where you will sign into your PayPal account to enable it. Once you see this message here enabled, you are good to go. PayPal will be enabled at checkout. There might be some fees included, and your account will be linked here. And as long as you did this through the Store Manager, it will be active. You can remove it at any time. Just go over to the Store Settings and choose the option next to PayPal. I hope I was able to help you on how to enable PayPal payments in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.